Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your VW Tiguan key. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, and if you're replacing the battery, have your new one ready. Make sure you're in a well-lit area with a clear surface to work on. This preparation ensures a smooth and easy process. Next, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to extend the physical key blade. This action is crucial because it exposes a small seam where the two halves of the key fob meet, providing the perfect spot to begin opening it. Now, carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into the seam you just exposed. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. It's important to apply steady, even pressure to avoid damaging the plastic casing. You should hear a slight click as the halves begin to separate. Once open, you'll see the battery. Note its orientation before removing it. Replace the old battery with a new one, typically a CR 2032, ensuring it's inserted correctly. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they snap securely shut. Test your key to ensure it's working properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.